Okay, INSTABOOM Go 2-press mode. Welcome to another video from SolarGates. This one is on the INSTABOOM Go modes of operation and covers 2-press mode. Now, if you're watching this video, I'm going to assume you've already paired your devices and they're ready to go. If not, definitely check that video out. It's linked below. One crucial point to highlight here is that the slider should have been used so that you know which device operates from which button on the remote. You're going to notice this video is very similar to the one I made on the one button mode of operation. No apologies for that. What we're really doing here is just highlighting the differences when it comes to working on site. I'm going to make another assumption, and that's that you've already run through the site setup process. Again, if not, check out that video. I've linked it below and it'll get you up and running. So we're going to start on site already with the INSTABOOM Go devices up and running, with all the devices in the stop position. Now this will work for any connected system, 2, 3 or 4 way. Using the remote in your hand, press the button for the device you want to move to the go position. As with the one button, this is just a simple click. Don't push and hold here or you might accidentally go into the site set down mode. When you're ready to enable another phase of your works, and after the minimum time which you programmed into the master during the pairing process, go ahead and push the first button again. This rotates the first sign back to the stop position. And then press the button for the next sign that you want to rotate to the go position. The control board will communicate with the requested device and rotate that to go. Repeat the process for the next sign, and that's all there is to it. When you're done with your works, make use of the site set down mode discussed in the previous video. So, thanks for watching. We have a growing collection of helpful how-to videos here on the SolarGates YouTube channel. But if you need any help or assistance at all, please don't hesitate to get in touch. We really want to hear from you.